Hi guys, here is an important video about my face-to-face advanced auditing class at Guntur, which is commencing from 2nd January 2023, right? As I have announced previously that I'm going to start the batch from 2nd January. Now there are some queries which I have been receiving. It is about holidays. As I told, the batch will commence on 2nd January and it will go up to 31st March 2023, not 31st March, sorry. 15th March 2023 is the target cutoff date. Within this gap, 55 working days I want to take up the batch. Though from 2nd January to 15th March, it is 72 or 73, some 72 or 74 days it will come. Some 18 days I have reserved for holidays. So 55 days the batch will be executed. Now every day 2.5 hours will be effective session time. Like morning 7 to 10 it will go with some 20 minutes to 30 minutes break will be given. So 2.5 hours. Now what about the holidays? On every Sunday we will take a break. On every Sunday. Further, for every festival we will take a holiday. Example, I'm starting the batch on 2nd January and immediately from 13, 14, 15 January is of Pongal. So we will be taking Pongal leave also, like Pongal holiday will be declared for 3 days. Now some students are having few more queries. Like backup class will be provided. From when onwards backup class will be provided? The backup class will be provided immediately from 15th or 16th January onwards. So roughly after Pongal, immediately on the next day onwards, whatever the recording that we do, like from 2nd January the class will start, right? Every day we will do simultaneously recording also. Entire recording setup is also ready. So whatever face-to-face class I am taking, that will be recorded simultaneously. That backup will also be provided to the student. And you know what? The backup class can be activated from 16th January onwards. Remember, backup class is valid only for 50 days from the date of activation. What I suggest is, please activate the backup classes at the end of the batch so that you will have time to watch once again entire classes within the set 50 days time period. Now, some students, sir, can I join after 10th January? Yes, very much you can join. But what we request is, in order to make the books and all everything ready for you by the time you come, please give your intimation to us that from then onwards you're going to join. So whoever is coming on 2nd January spot registration, we will give you the books as well as the class will be started immediately, and all the further guidelines will be discussed on 2nd January. By the way, you all know, right, from where the batch is going to be conducted? It is going to be conducted at 3/1 Broadipet. Okay, there is an institute called Drona for CA and CMA. So in their premises, in the first floor, the batch will start. That's it. So these are the minimum, these are the few clarifications which many students are asking. So on every Sunday, there will be a holiday, and on public holidays, there will be a holiday. That's it. So these are about some clarifications, and I also clarified, I think, about backup class as well. That's it. So why late? Come experience the face-to-face class, and of course, you're also going to get Google Drive backup classes with 1.2 view. That's it. So have a nice time. I hope this had clarified your certain your queries on clarification. By the way, at the end of this video, I'm going to attach my previous 2 videos which I made on face-to-face. So you will get more information in those videos. If you want to have more information, just watch them. What is the batch duration, all that. With crystal clear, in-depth we explained. Okay.